In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Roblox encountered an unexpected error. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, it can be really annoying whenever you're trying to open up Roblox or whenever you're trying to play a game and it just crashes and it says it's encountered an unexpected error. You don't want to do that, especially when you're trying to play with friends or anything like that. So I'm going to end the task right now. All I want to do is when I'm on Windows, go to search on the bottom and then type in something called core isolation, which is going to come up right here. I can also type in something else called memory integrity. So once I start typing memory integrity like so, it's going to also show core isolation right here. And all I want to go ahead and do is says memory integrity must be enabled for this feature. If you have a memory integrity option, you basically just want to go ahead and disable it. And it's literally as simple as that. That's going to make your Roblox work fine. And simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other videos that we've been posting over on the channel.